What's up guys, Sino here. Today I'm going to be talking about the problem that happened with my iPhone 7 and the charging port. So let's get to it right now. So basically what happened to my iPhone 7 is it won't charge. I know that sounds very like a very basic problem, but this is super random. Let me know if you've had this problem with you as well. But basically the iPhone won't charge unless it is all the way turned off. So right now it's on, what, 31%? If it'll focus, hold on. Yeah, it's on 31%. You see, like the phone is perfectly okay right now. It's okay. Other than being an iPhone 7, it's okay. So I'm gonna plug it in. This is connected to power, so you don't have to worry about that. It's connected to power. You see it's not working at all. But I'm gonna show you, like when I turn the phone all the way off, it's gonna work, which is, like, it only charges when it's all the way turned off like that. When it's all the way turned off, that's the only time it charges. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. So make sure, yeah, it's on 31%, and I'm gonna come back in a couple minutes and show you that it's different. So my iPhone's been off for a couple of minutes, and you see that it went to 32. It was just on 33, but it went up to 32%, and that was in like 5 minutes. So it also charges really slowly when it's off. So as you can see, my cord is connected to power. It's connected to this clock, which is connected to the wall over there. And this phone only charges when it's all the way turned off. So like force resetting, not like force resetting it, but like all the way turned off like this. But as you can see, it doesn't charge when it's like regularly turned on like most phones do. You see, it's not charging at all. So I don't know what happened to my phone. It just happened randomly. So if you know how to fix it, please let me know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, how I'm gonna fix it, or what's gonna go on with this, but yeah, I just thought I would post a video about what's going on with the charging port, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.